Andrew Robertson, Virgil van Dijk, Joe Gomez, Trent Alexander-Arnold at the back. In midfield, even though some branch for the budget and Fabinho ball double number 6 there, name when I tell you say or statistics with what we call the mechanical midfield rule. And they tell you say they have budget and they all ball inside the midfield. And on the show more attack nasi. Then I branch for them again saying Fabinho covers for Robertson. Henderson covers for Trent Alexander-Arnold. Say by your mama coin, I'm out the 2 and 3 the fullbacks no about money. But the question I want to say, so we boy game against Real Madrid. A team a ancient system. Mechanical and Madrid team no any system omobo. Omunye possession based team. Omunye counter attacking team. Omunye I can say team about tiki taka. Omubo no omobo and say coach name players them coin. Am I boss ball so musipe. Onu go just be a player we be in a system. E be a opposition say obo right wing go to Gina Ono nko a. Nigga say my players they going to express themselves on the pitch. And that is what our point for Carlo Ancelotti and Madrid footing him. It's every time Biano. So we go against this team and found the system they are quite fluid on the pitch. So they football more. And you Madrid 4 team now. Thibaut Courtois, Dani Carvajal, David Alaba, Eden Militao, Antonio Rudiger in midfield. Valverde, Camavinga, Modric, Rodrigo, Benzema, and a bunch of friend of Vinicius Junior. And I thought our point for Carlo Ancelotti will go with a 4-man midfield because they tell us in recent times no. So our midfield 4 now. Opia right in front of Valverde and Neko, the right wing Gordo. Now the another midfield will be a Ceballos and Toni Kroos. Benra, Toni Kroos, if let fitness test. And I'll drop his Ceballos. So he went with a typical 4-3 because well who said Liverpool 14 our biggest problem. Hey, more wings, no, our fullbacks. Robertson and Trent, our common. They leave space at the back. And 2 young players they will be able to utilize that back post now when they game now. And they start the game weight. Apa, Madrid 14 started a game now with a 4-man at the back. And I saw Mutin Muswa, a 2-man in midfield and 4 in attacking team. When they are on attacking transitions, Oboko in a 4-2-4. And to solve for now, David Alaba, Antonio Rudiger, Militao, and a bunch of fun cover her at the back. In midfield, no, Camavinga, every run film for Yormo, ever one midfield, then Modric, no Pia Branch Fano, I can't say, Valverde, Rodrigo home, on that right side, making sure somebody team no ever call in a typical 4-2-4. But they put in no, what the annual, Mecano Harris said, Nancy, about president is in 2018, in 2019, 2020. Now, when they are pressing, they leave spaces. Chance to them. And you know, Madrid team, any chance to build from the back. Because first and Kaunas a chance you can build from the back against Liverpool. But no matter for a few days, they will be able to build from the back and a bomb in the first half of Mbobono. But the question I want to say, Saudi course it came with sheer brilliance from team like friend Liverpool. Because the chance said, so let's go you almost in the first half now. A branch of friend Trent Alexander-Arnold, a creative overload with a branch of friend Mohamed Salah. But every time the Salah need a dangerous player, and so Onya Bope, there will be players covering around him. And it's all around more. And most of the crowd, but there are 1, 2, 3 players all hovering around a branch of friend Mohamed Salah. So just one pass to a branch of friend, I can't say Darwin Nunez, and Opia Bonnet to him. Marry for the Flacaba commitment here. And I think saying the first half, no, David Alaba left back, no, but it's before the game, not all English, crash the window. He was quite limited instead of moving forward and defending on the back against a player like Mohamed Salah. In that in the first half, no, maybe before I making some series of mistakes in the first half. Then game cost now, no, and who's a color a changing system, no, we're changing from a typical back 4 to a midfield 5. Wow. And in a game, no, now there are 4 players at the back, but in terms of defending, I'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 players. 85 at the back, 4 in midfield, and then Karim Benzema and Kwan with him. Because who said Arrowhead? Because they have not you know. Was it 2 goals? I take Karina. You take Karina, no, and so keep the grip of the game, and so when you control over the game, and getting control, and say, who see that 4-5-1 against a midfield block, no, and 1-5-1 more. Somebody you putting any coin and hover around your midfield. I think say a bomb from the timer, or more take Karina. But the question I want to say, in games like this, Adi Wunya, players are Sabi, Monfancheme. Players are Omadjin, IQ football, yes, in terms of IQ. Yes. Okay. And such players, no, Karim Benzema, Vinicius Junior. The way Omo and the IQ of football is different, Kakra. Even though somebody with team, no, I started to Omo with a 4-5-1. But the question I want to say, every time somebody for here that system not to play very, very well with the team, no, I do Omo and say they tried to say Omek Mako, now after Omo Yusu, I can't say Omo Medford, no. And you look at the midfield, 1, 2, 3 players. But the space around team for Liverpool for midfield, and Madrid for chance no to have that passing combinations. And Vinicius Junior, about for Federico Valverde, Karim Benzema, they had that time no to hover everything around the midfield. And look at the first goal. So we game now when and one now. Let's say the first is the first goal.
Okay.
From Camavinga to Benton for Vinicius Junior.
Okay.
That's how the first goal came.
80 no dey here me point ye pena ya in terms na ye konti ye hwe kwan first goal no first way by
Papa in the first goal Camavinga nya chance and Madrid for everyone more spaces to deal with in the midfield you know. So the midfield now Camavinga just one pass per to Benton for Vinicius Junior and that passing combinations between Ono and about for Karim started taking place. And we are there Papa ye game no. This how the game came by. We go no. Madrid for cover so one ball different kakra. Because if you leave them spaces, they'll be able to beat you. Papa, how do you say game? Now, see if you join your life on Facebook. Look at the distance and look at the ability to run for Manchester United. Now, you have to born a born neighbor. Now, also, I had more. They 14 had numbers in the defense. Because, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4 players at the back. But the question I want to say, Vinicius Junior, Valverde, and about the friend of Benzema. Because I'm a different kakra. And in terms of saying you will have problems dealing with these players. And I know they didn't. I won't disappointed. Every time Biano trying as much as possible say they will use what they have. That's the ability to have that pace to run no on Liverpool 14 no. It's the whole 90 minutes. On one chance of Liverpool counter. They were the one counting Liverpool 14 no. On top one ball neighbor, the pace never before they call Liverpool couldn't cope with it. And yeah, Robertson, and Alexander Arnold. None of the defense could be able to cope with Vinicius Junior and Valverde or and I think they had a very, very, very good game and remember team in Nabaso, they did very, very well. But quite apart from that, sir, chance somebody to show skills here, you know. Yeah. It took only 8 seconds from Abante Freno to book Courtois. Let's say we do penalty yard boss.
Just 8 seconds.
8 seconds, right? Nipa trepe Courtois. Valverde, Vinicius Junior. 8 seconds. 3 players. 8 seconds. And we take it. Now, you took on the ball neighbor. Just the runner players need to call that ability to turn defense into attack. You know, I have one thing. Remember the 14 hours, especially apart from Carlo Ancelotti and the Real Madrid 14 now coming into games like this. But the question they say, Papa, if you have a man like this, you can change every game you will be. Look at Madrid. The question they say you can't the best in the game. Some boy but tough from say more baller. Wow. He's one of the best of all time in terms of sports. One of the best of all time. Because so kuta now, born effortless. I say born boy full. I say born boy because so we game now boy and one upper. We quite also go way by. When you are better for Luka Modric. Until born the born bano or break your lines with one pass of players or moment for dinner. Just a single pass. Just young to born mano or back just one pass per at 38 years. If you're able to do this, at 38 years, if Modric is able to do this, wow. And I think he was the main orchestrator for every 4 game, no more ball and play every part of the game. The question I want to say, I can't say about the Joe Gomez. Even though after the game, I want for a blame, you know. But some people against Real Madrid, you can't just have it. Somebody force a second goal. How can you blame any of the defenders? The system level for the ball game and a 40
because we are
zonal marking. Yes.
And where you feel no you outside the system.
Now we are free of it by on you oba. And zonal marking of team for Liverpool no and am warm and a tennis and free player be if the coach na so never. Coach na select the tactics a little bit defend the corners. We be defend set pieces and that set piece defending no and I'm waiting my for Liverpool coming into this game boy. But the question is upper. We have Vinicius Junior. I think many other teams say will be as here. Or only a player like Vinicius Junior. So we have Vinicius Junior and KB come out the forum on Talis. I would do my year from last community men yet. But now, what the four Vinicius Junior, you know, they have the chance to make some of these things. Papa, and we able to get here 2 goals, 1 assist, 63 touches. Kwa side on them. Wow. Just look at the heat map on the game now born and run. At one side, he was just unplayable. Game now born 63 touches. 2 goals, 3 shots, 3 on target, 1 assist, 1 big chance created, 30 out of 39 pass accuracy, 4 out of 8 successful dribbles, 3 fouls, I'm not gonna game na boy and one. He was just a man of the match again. Upon any individual highlight, don't live on Facebook na radio.
Okay.
Also bodu mo a won't menje. And when poor game no club, Carlo Ancelotti. Omo we again bia we're just talking about this guy. Upon some boy or this goal, it wasn't a chance who. And your chance. When the players around a branch for the Visual Junior to Monya Bono. When the players around him. Just look at him. Just one pass where when the players around him, what pass the ball or the Bobby ball with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go. Me coach na ma post na idea. Apa where the number of players around a branch for the Visual Junior. And now you who say on a bunch of goal post, you know, Alison Becker. On the Munya the same national team.
This is what Alison.
Ne Benkum or Tono Hoko Benkum so put a crown with Alison Becker. Or top one to them. Where you ye and this Vinicius Junior. And Japa, in a game like this, no, you need game changes. And what for game changes, no, was Luka Modric, Karim Benzema, then Vinicius Junior. Our game now more and run. And say more, but was what did you call Edward Powie? The way why Madrid 14 years say no, you can play against them, but to win against Madrid team, I have one big task. What thing you about Kama? Me, I think say no, Tima, I want Madrid for one draw. I have Barcelona and Kwa. Apart from any other team, no, Team Bebre Honomo, they have problems playing against Real Madrid, and it's because of power. And for the Carlo Ancelotti covers about the ball, no? And it's all down to Vinicius Junior and about for the Karim Benzema.
Who says you who now about now over to us on that? Yeah, to Tony, I'm still joining live on Facebook. Sumpa FM, live on Facebook. Not leave a comment, you know. And so for my G, was he young on a Karim Mustafa Benzema? Kwanya, oh.